Hey everyone, welcome to all of you. Hope you all are doing good. And today I'm here to explain you about Fashional.com reviews. Guys, in this video, I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. And in any case, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. Guys, this is the homepage of this website and it is an online shopping store which is based in United States that sells work relax table in all sizes and universal car phone clip holder, foldable mini drone camera, touch control wireless earbuds, bone conduction air hook wireless Bluetooth earphone, diamond money clutch, money towel, the money toilet paper and the money rug. So these are the offerings of this website and guys, the prices of these offerings are too good to be true. Now let's talk about other information including the payment. So guys, you can see the modes of payment which are available on this website are PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, Mastro and American Express. And guys, talking about shipping policy, no shipping policy page is available on this website, which is a negative sign. Now guys, before going further, I request you all to hit the like button, share this video to your friends and subscribe our channel. And I'm going to talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. So guys, the site uses a secure valid HTTPS protocol, which is a good sign, but talking about the domain information of this site, the domain name was created on 8th of July 2020. This means that this domain is particularly 6 months old. And let's check out the About Us information to know more about the website's legitimacy. So this is the About Us page guys, but you can see they have provided fake and duplicate About Us information, which is a big red high alert. Now let's take a look at the contact details of this website. So this is the contact us page guys. Here they have only provided an email address which does not matches with the domain name, which is not a good sign. Apart from that, they have not mentioned company's official address in this page and contact number, but yes, they have provided the company's official address in About Us page, which is also fake guys. When you'll check out this address on Google Maps, you will find a barber shop on the given particular address. So this is negative sign. Guys, this site has an unknown trustworthiness score and has no social media presence at all, which define its fakeness. Now let's check out the return policy of this website. So this is the return policy page guys, and they have mentioned 14 days return policy after the receipt of the product. Guys, do not forget to comment about your experience regarding the return or refund of the product. And talking about the most important factor, which is Fashional.com reviews guys, we have found no reviews about the site on the internet as well as on the official website. So this is again a negative sign that shows that this website is not much popular online and has too low traffic, or you can say none at all. Yes guys, according to our study, we have found that this particular website is ranked 0 among millions of other websites according to Alexa Traffic Rank, and this particular site has used duplicate and fake content including the images, which is a bad sign and is the characteristic of a scam website. So guys, in the final conclusion, the website appears to be scam. You should stay away from such type of scam websites. And if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video guys, because we read all your comments over every video. Guys, hit the like button, share the video and subscribe our channel to get more scam alert notifications. Thanks for watching this video guys. Have a good day.